how to create free vibes token in your wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to claim free vibes token in your wallet. So if you're hunting for the most up-to-date pump coin airdrop guide and a clear no nonsense vibe claim guide, this walkthrough shows you exactly how to participate, where to check eligibility, and how to claim Vibes token on Pumpcoin airdrop portal, including current claim window and must know safety tips. So, first of all, I'm assuming that all of you know that the Pumpcoin Vibe airdrop is now live on Airdrop Alert. So look for Vibe and earn Vibe power and claim during the official claim window. And claims are open now, so you can see the details. So first of all, in order to check your eligibility, all you have to do is come to the official website or in the application of the airdrop alert. And after that, just simply click on check eligibility. And over here, you can see that you have to connect any of your legit wallet, crypto wallet to the airdrop alert so that you will get the latest update and you will be able to withdraw the Vibe coins or claim the Vibe tokens in your wallet quite easily. So you can go ahead and connect any of your wallet. So for example, you can connect your MetaMask, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or any other wallet. And as soon as you connect your wallet, you will be able to see whether you are eligible to claim the Vibe token in your account or not. So as I said that you have to first visit the official website of Vibe airdrop portal, then connect your wallet to check the eligibility and complete the required task. So the task that you may also be required to do in order to qualify for the Vibe token claim. And this task is usually around 6 to 7 minutes. So once you have completed all the task and the snapshot confirm your status, just click on claim and you are done. Your token will either be distributed immediately or after the next distribution round, depending on when you have joined. So basically, these are the steps that you have to follow. Right now, I don't have any account in the airdrop alert or any of these crypto wallets. So that's why I'm not connecting and showing you on my screen. When you connect your wallet to the airdrop alert section and when you check the eligibility and perform the on-screen task that will be appeared in your screen, then you will be able to claim your tokens quite easily. So that's how easy it is to claim free Vibe token in your wallet. I hope you find this video to be helpful.